Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crypto Discord server. First, create your new server and give it a memorable name that reflects your community's focus. Next, establish clear rules to guide member interactions and ensure a positive atmosphere. Then, set up essential moderation tools to keep your server safe and organized. Finally, categorize your channels logically for easy navigation, making it simple for everyone to find relevant discussions and information. Now, let's talk about essential channels and roles. Start by creating a welcoming channel where new members can introduce themselves and find initial information. Dedicate specific channels to various crypto topics like NFTs, DeFi, or market analysis to keep discussions focused. Always have a clearly visible rules channel. Furthermore, assign roles to members to manage permissions and recognize contributions, fostering a structured and engaging community environment for everyone. Security is paramount for any crypto community. Enable two-factor authentication for all administrators to prevent unauthorized access. Utilize Discord's robust built-in moderation features to manage content and user behavior effectively. Integrate trusted bot tools such as AutoMod to automate tasks like spam filtering and keyword blocking, saving you valuable time. Crucially, educate your members about common crypto scams and phishing attempts, empowering them to stay safe online. Finally, let's discuss growing your vibrant crypto community. Promote your server across relevant social media platforms and crypto forums to attract new members. Host engaging events regularly, such as Ask Me Anything sessions with industry experts or interactive Q&A discussions, to keep your community active. Encourage members to participate in conversations and share their insights. Consider forming partnerships with other crypto projects to expand your reach and foster collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.